Hey guys, I'm Winston with Throttle Timber and Trails, and today we are actually working on Stewie, and we've got a couple of different projects to show you. Okay, we got another project for Stewie here. One of the things that I wanted to change is the mirrors. As you can see, there's no mirrors on there right now, but these are some replacement mirrors. But these are not made for Stewie, so we are going to have to make them fit on Stewie. The mirrors that came with them, let me show you here, were these mirrors here, which doesn't look too bad, right? But it's so small, you really can't see that much, and I'd like to be able to see more, a whole lot more, so I don't run over anything backing up. So I'm going to try to change them, so let's see what we can do here, and I'll unbox these and show you. Okay, so I've got some mirrors that I ordered. They're not made for this truck. They're made for a Freightliner. So I know we'll have to do something to make them fit, but hopefully we can figure something out. So let's see what we got here. I got the two different mirrors. One's a wide angle and then the regular one. I think this is the wide angle, so this is smaller. Let me show you what it is. Ooh, nice double that. So this is it. So this is one, and let me show you the other one real quick. So this one, much better. So that's a lot more mirror, so you should be able to see a lot more in it. And I need to see as much as I can to drive it around, but we'll try this out. I do notice one thing. We have, these are defrost. So there's a little switch that heats them and defrosts. I'm not going to use them that way. So I think what I'll do is tuck the wires inside, and hopefully one day when we get into the electrical, I'll actually hook the defrost up on them. But for now, I'm just going to stuff them back inside and see if we can't get them mounted. So this is the original bracket, and I'm looking at this and I can tell already that these are going to be in the way. So we're going to have to eliminate those. Let's see what we can do about that. So I'm going to try to take this angle grinder and cut those brackets off. This is not a cutting wheel, but we're going to use it as one. And I put on my gloves for safety, but there's nothing about this that's safe, so I don't recommend doing this to anybody, for anyone. I mean, it's okay, but you'll see. Let's see what we can do. Okay, I got it. They're gone. There is a little remains left, but I'm going to take a orbital sander and sand this down a little bit better, and we'll throw some paint on it, and hopefully you can never tell that they were even there. Okay, I think that's probably good enough. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little paint. My favorite thing to do is spray paint, and get some black back on this and see what we got. So I got some black spray paint. We'll give this a shot and see how this turns out here. I'll hang it up here on this nail and let it dry, and then we'll try to get those mirrors on there. So I'll take these brackets off and try to put those wires down inside of the light or inside of the mirror. So I do hope to hook these up eventually. Once we get on the inside and start working on the electrical, I'm gonna try to figure out how to run them in and stuff them back inside of here till later. So wish me luck. Okay, so I took the brackets off and we stuffed our wires in there, put it back on. Now all I gotta do is get it on the truck and we'll see how it looks. I'm gonna try to get it bolted up on here. I got one started in the top. All right, I think we got it. If you'll notice, I replaced this hardware because the other was pretty rough, but these are stainless. So hopefully none of this will actually rust and it'll stay looking like this, theoretically. But let's step back and check it out and see what you think. So, this is so much better. I can see everything. I can even see my front tire and right to that step down there and Irby. This should be much safer. Got a great view now. I'm happy with it. Turned out good. So project number gazillion done, headed to whatever's more than a gazillion next. So, but thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And these work good. Freightliner mirrors, retrofitted to this. It looks a lot beefier and it looks a lot better and actually works a lot better. So we'll see you next time.